The power bank's all about charging on the go, right? Everybody's got multiple devices, whether you're a student, whether you're a business person, whatever. Everybody's got 3 or 4. My kid's got 2 things, right? So this bag is a really cool bag, first of all. It looks cool, it feels cool. But what's really cool about it is it's got a charging panel. You basically plug it in, comes with an adapter, you plug it in at night. And what ends up happening is anytime during the day that you need to charge your devices, you basically have your connectors built into the bag, right? So you can charge Apple devices. It's got a couple micro tips. It's got a female USB, so if you want to do a tablet, it'll also charge a tablet. It'll charge 4 devices at the same time, right? It also has tone and voice, so that it'll tell you what it's doing. For example, it speaks in 12 languages, so it'll tell you, for our German customers, if you hit the battery level indicator, if the battery's at 50%, it'll tell you that in German. If you're charging an Apple device, it'll tell you in Chinese. It's charging an Apple device. So that's for charging on the go. You're on a plane, you're in a class, you're in a coffee shop, and nobody wants to give you an outlet at the airport or whatever. This is the bag to have. Then we move over to here to the MyCharge. MyCharge is the coolest portable power banks that are made. The reason they're the coolest is that, first of all, they look cool, but we're the only line. We build our USB into the actual power bank. Why is that a big deal? Because today, any power bank, you got to carry a USB to micro for your computer, so you need 2 things. All these units have the USB built in. This is our opening price point. It's an Apple charger, right? 1000 milliamp. Then you get into your next model over here, which is really sweet. This is a 2000. It's got an Apple dock. It's got your micro. And of course, again, it's got your USB charging. Then you move into your 3000. This is where you start to get really serious. You got your prongs for charging. This is for ultra fast charging off a wall. It's like 10 times faster than charging off of a PC. If you don't have a wall to charge off of, you can still charge with your USB. Everything's hidden in. Now, as far as devices you can charge using your Apple, you can charge using your micro. You got your USB out charger, so you can charge 3 devices at one time. And again, you have tone and voice. You can choose between 12 different languages with this unit. At the top of the line units, this one over here, this is a 6000, so it's the same as the 3000, but it's the most powerful of all the units. Then you get into the Apple, the smart covers, right? Everybody loves smart covers. Well, these are smart covers. All of our cases have the USBs built in. Again, big. I mean, if you're talking to somebody who has a battery charger, that's the most convenient thing in the world. So you have your smart covers. Here you got your dual, it's called a duet. What we give you is we give you some cases, protective cases, right? But if you're the kind of person that doesn't like to carry a battery around, it's too bulky for you, right? In your pocket, you carry this in your bag. Basically, your phone's in here. When it needs power, you just take it, you drive it down in here, you lock it in, you charge. When you're done, you go with your phone, right? So you don't have to carry around the bulk all the time. Here's a one-piece Apple smartphone. It's a smart charger. It's one piece. You don't have 2 parts that you have to separate and lose one. You've got the USB built in again. All these units have 1300 milliamps, so they'll charge an iPhone about 1 time. Finally, the last unit we have, this is we call it the Concierge. It's a universal charger, a couple of USB outs, plugs in the wall, comes with cords. If you want, you can also pull this out, use it in your car. So it's very, very convenient.